Okay, let us see what are reformers in case of fuel cells. So these reformers are electrolyzer systems and their related precautions also we will be seeing here. The main objective of using a reformer is to supply hydrogen locally to the fuel cell stack. So fuel cell requires hydrogen fuel input, right? So the one which supplies that fuel of hydrogen is nothing but reformer. So it is relatively a complex system which demands automated control. That fuel input has to be controlled optimally and it should be taken care. That's why we need to have automated control. And the system is sensitive to several aspects such as control failure, the presence of inflammable gases, carbon monoxide, poisoning gas, and over temperature operation. All these things should be taken care. And an appropriate design should foresee several redundant sensors to guarantee safe operation, monitoring the components as well as controlling the stack operation. Although such complex systems are usually encountered in industrial and automotive environments, a lot of research is still required for its use in efficient, safe and reliable fuel cell systems, because hydrogen supply is the main part of the working of fuel cells and the supply is going to be coming from reformers. There is still a lot of research that has to be happened for a safe operation of the system. And there are two major fluids present in the reformer, the fuel input and the hydrogen generated. So even for generating the hydrogen we need some other fuel, and the precautions should be established for transportation, storage, distribution and safety standard. During reforming, small amounts of rusted carbon monoxide can be produced, but as long as there is no leakage, it does not represent any danger. However, if there is any leakage before the oxidation process, it is not safe and it is a potential system safety concern. The leakage of carbon monoxide should not happen from safety concerns. And reformers usually work at a temperature of 1650 degrees centigrade and must be thermally insulated to maintain a bearable exterior temperature, right? Because it should not come out, right, that particular temperature, so insulation must be there. And internally water steam is used to cool the hydrogen, and high internal temperatures can overheat and rupture the equipment. So for that purpose internally water steam will be used to cool the hydrogen as it is produced at a very high temperature. And the leakage in the cooling area can produce steam jets at high temperatures with imminent danger. Yes or no? Yes. When the water steam is used for cooling purpose, if it gets leaked, what happens? It will be coming out with high temperatures and it will be posing danger. And another way to obtain hydrogen is through renewable sources of energy, and this process can produce almost pure hydrogen and oxygen fed only by secondary sources of energy such as solar and wind. So not only the reformer, we can also get hydrogen for fuel cells through renewable energy sources. So this is all about reformers.